Cooking, but it's better kitchen chef in the oven. Cooking, but it's better kitchen chef in the oven.
Welcome to Butter's Better Kitchen. Today we're going to be making cucumber roll-ups. Now we're going to do this kind of quickly because my son has to go to school. You get a cucumber, cheese that's sliced already, and some lunch meat, and pretzel sticks. First thing we do is we take the cucumber, the vegetable peeler, just kind of peel off a layer, move it to the side. See, it makes thin slices. Make sure when you press down on the cucumber, you're pressing evenly and a little firm to make sure that you get all of the slices evenly. Just gonna make 5. Oops. This is a quick, healthy snack. It's very delicious. My 7-year-old daughter made it and she loves it. Put this here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices of cucumber. And just so you know, when it starts getting down to the seeded part, do maybe 6 or 7 scrapes right here, and then you can turn it on the sides. It will be around the same width all throughout if you do it that way. Next, I take my lunch meat. Someone's been eating my lunch meat because I just purchased this yesterday, but it's okay as long as they save me some. You can either rip the lunch meat like this, which is what I do sometimes, or you can actually take it and slice the lunch meat down, which will make nicer, more even slices. You can put it inside like that, which is pretty cool. I only needed 1. That's good. Next, you take the cheese slice. Good job. And this I do slice up, if I can get it out of here. Yep, there we go. 1, 2. You can make them as thin or as thick as you want, and I also go across. Like this. So 1 slice of cheese will make around 8 to 10 for these cucumber roll-ups. So we have our cucumber sliced, we put our lunch meat on top, our cheese on top of that. Next we're going to roll it up towards me. And stick the pretzel stick in. So just again, just make sure you roll it up. And the one thing to remember is to roll the roll the cucumber and hold the pretzel stick towards the middle, not towards the top, or it will break. See, there we go. You can push it all the way through and lean. I'll make these 3 real quick. My kids love these. I actually went to a school and showed the kids how to make these, and they were like, I don't like cucumbers. It's like, try it, just try it. And they tried it, it's like, do you have any more? Unfortunately, I didn't. So now they know how to make it. 1 more to go. Okay. And 5. Here you go, quick and easy cucumber roll-ups. Thanks for watching Butter's Better Kitchen. Make sure to subscribe below. Visit us at buttersbetterkitchen.com.